So one of the things that you can do using VLC Media Player is cast your media files into Chromecast devices as well. So to do that, first of all, you need to have your video ready right here, just like this. And if I were to play, by default, it plays right here in your local device. But if you want to go ahead and cast it, you can simply go to the playback menu and then go to renderer, and then you'll see the list of Chromecast devices that you have on the same network. Simply go ahead and choose this, and then what happens is it'll start getting casted. So you can see it says it does require a conversion right here. So you can go ahead and press OK to convert and start casting this onto your Chromecast device. If you want to play this on your local device that is in this player again, then what you can simply do is go to playback, renderer, and choose local right here, just like this. Then you can go ahead and play it on this device once again. And that is how you can go ahead and use VLC with Chromecast as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.